Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming ordinary real estate photos into stunning visuals using just my editing skills. Real estate photo editing is a crucial aspect of the property market, as it can make or break a potential buyer's first impression of a property. The goal of real estate photo editing is to showcase a property in its best possible light, highlighting its most attractive features and downplaying its flaws, which can ultimately lead to a faster sale and a higher selling price. Poor lighting can be a major issue when it comes to real estate photography, as it can make a property look dark and uninviting. This is especially true for properties with small windows or those that are located in areas with limited natural light. In such cases, real estate agents often have to rely on artificial lighting, which can sometimes produce unflattering results. Additionally, properties with bold or bright color schemes can also be challenging to photograph, as these colors can be overwhelming and dominate the entire image. Properties with clutter or messy interiors can also be difficult to showcase through photography, as clutter can make a space look smaller and less appealing. Real estate agents often have to work with homeowners to declutter and stage the property before taking photos, which can be time-consuming and may not always produce the desired results. Furthermore, properties with unique architectural features or complex layouts can also be challenging to photograph, as these features can be difficult to capture in a single image. The exterior of a property can also be challenging to photograph, especially during certain times of the day or in harsh weather conditions. For example, taking photos of a property during the middle of the day can result in unflattering shadows and highlights, while taking photos on a cloudy day can make the property look dull and lifeless. Real estate agents often have to work around these challenges to get the best possible shots of the property, which can be frustrating and time-consuming. Real estate photo editing involves a range of techniques and tools to enhance the appearance of a property. One of the most common techniques used is color correction, which involves adjusting the color balance and saturation of an image to make it look more natural and appealing. HDR imaging is another technique used, which involves combining multiple images taken at different exposures to create a single image with a wider dynamic range. This can help to capture more detail in both the bright and dark areas of an image. Virtual staging is also a popular technique used in real estate photo editing, which involves adding virtual furniture and decorations to an empty space to make it look more inviting and lived in. This can be especially useful for properties that are being sold unfurnished or for those that have unusual layouts. Additionally, real estate photo editing can also involve removing unwanted objects or features from an image, such as power lines or trash cans, to create a cleaner and more visually appealing image. Real estate photo editing can also involve adding special effects to an image, such as sunsets or sunrises, to create a more dramatic and eye-catching image. This can help to capture the viewer's attention and make the property stand out from others in the area. Moreover, real estate photo editing can also involve enhancing the textures and colors of an image, such as the wood grain on a floor or the pattern on a rug, to create a more realistic and immersive image. Real estate photo editing can also involve adding special effects to an image, such as sunsets or sunrises, to create a more dramatic and eye-catching image. This can help to capture the viewer's attention and make the property stand out from others in the area. Moreover, real estate photo editing can also involve enhancing the textures and colors of an image, such as the wood grain on a floor or the pattern on a rug, to create a more realistic and immersive image. Use of HDR imaging and color correction can help to bring out the best features of a property, while the removal of unwanted objects and the addition of virtual staging can help to create a more polished and professional image. By investing in high-quality editing, real estate agents can help to create a lasting impression on potential buyers. Effective real estate photo editing can also help to create a sense of emotion and connection with a property. By showcasing a property in its best possible light, agents can help to create a sense of warmth and hospitality, which can be especially important for buyers who are looking for a home. The use of virtual staging and special effects can also help to create a sense of possibility and potential, which can be especially appealing to buyers who are looking to put their own unique spin on a property. By using real estate photo editing to tell a story and create a sense of atmosphere, agents can help to make a property more relatable and desirable. The benefits of real estate photo editing are clear, as it can help to enhance the appearance of a property, create a lasting impression on potential buyers, and ultimately drive sales. By investing in high-quality editing, real estate agents can help to differentiate themselves from the competition and provide their clients with a unique and valuable service. If you're interested in learning more about real estate marketing tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other video on the topic.